Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer right here, so 3 bars icon, and tap on contacts. Now let's find the contact that you'd like to edit and tap on it. I'll pick this G1 and then tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon. Here we can change the picture and calling card, and even though I'll focus on the picture, let me quickly remove it. I really highly recommend setting the calling card also, thanks to which you can personalize this contact even more. You can add a beautiful background, I don't know, a landscape or something that resembles you about this person. Highly recommend that. So let me tap on the circle to change the picture, the contact photo. And here we've got different sections. So in the device photos, we've got our own gallery, or we can tap on the camera and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos are backdrop photos, so I'll just omit that. We've got also Monogram, so you can use 1 or 2 letters. You can change the background color if you want to. You can change the font also. Moreover, you can choose the emoji instead of the monogram. Just tap on it, and here you can choose from the list. So I don't know, maybe this flower. Oh, the background color is awful then. All right, whatever. Here you've got also this option monochrome. So now we've got the emoji itself, right? But after tapping on the switcher, our device will simply make it more icon-like, which is also nice. And the illustrations that are free of charge, and they are available online. So if you don't feel like using monogram, if you don't really have a photo of the person whose contact you'd like to customize, you can try to find something here. Maybe something that resembles you about this person again, or I don't know, something that you like, basically. That's all. That's all of the criteria. Let me choose maybe this blue mackerel. And after choosing, you can set different presets, and for some reason they're mixed up. So here we've got the green one, and okay. But that's okay. You can also customize the colors here, which is great because you can tap on this drop icon kind of, and you can change the color of the water, mackerel, or hook. I'll choose the water. I like to make it maybe blue or maybe pink. Okay, something like that. Tap on done. So as you can see, you can quickly change the colors, which is great. You can also zoom in or out the photo. You can change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is basically responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example to ring all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.